The Lincoln Aviator got an upgrade for the 2025 model year. There's an available jet package, which is going to give you 22-inch wheels, but the 21-inch wavy wheels look fantastic. Front end style is very different. There's a higher profile grille with the front-facing camera. There's a forward sensing system inside the vehicle. Year over year, the Aviator is powered by the same 3-liter turbocharged engine you were able to find last year. 400 horsepower, 415 pound-feet of torque. This car can absolutely fly. While you can use a regular 87 octane in the vehicle, best performance comes from at least a 91. There's the Lincoln badge in the back, a backup camera, the rear sensing system, along with towing for up to 5,000 pounds inside of the vehicle. Going to find a full power liftgate inside the ride. On the inside, power folding third row seats.